This is a mega mansion worth $500 million from Lego, and this luxurious house with a swimming pool I built for the richest Lego man who has his own supercar. I will compare what it is like to live in it and in the cheapest house, which is barely worth for the construction of one house. I prepared a platform like this, took some parts of sand color. She started building the walls, ready to put everything together. They will be in this relief. Finish the wall, now the doors and more walls. What kind of house without windows? They should also be sure to install the last touch of the wall. Ready to place the house somehow like this looks very good, and let's not forget about the roof, which I prepared in advance. For the exterior I picked up some paraphernalia, a trash can that I will put right here. Also here will grow moss stand, some old barrel, another trash can, spider, and the last tank stop. So this is the poorest Lego man, he can't have a house. Shall we build him something simpler? Now, let's attach the lid that way. And now our poor Lego man lives in a dumpster. They're gonna build him the cheapest car they can. I found the smallest wheels for this car. Put the steering wheel on. Also gonna attach the hood and bumper, and let's not forget the doors. I will use the ones I found, and they will even have different lights. Let's make the back of the car, put her windshield, and make the roof. We got a small and quite economical car that will not consume a lot of fuel, so our lung man will pay less for gas and more. Putting money aside. But the ATM was old and broken and started giving our poor Lego man unlimited amounts of money. He doesn't even have a place to store so much money, so let's build him a new big mansion. And since the house is pretty big, I needed a lot of parts. I ordered them on the site 100rubrics.ru. And after a while I received a parcel with the necessary parts. Here are some of them. In and while I collect this mansion, I want to tell you that on the site column with .ru, where I just ordered the parts, just like that there is a sale, where you can buy all the necessary parts, ranging from the usual brakes, ending technician, motor, and much more. If anything, the link is in the description. This is one of the most expensive houses in the world, worth about $500 million. And I repeated it from Lego, but agree, this appearance of the man is not befitting such a house, so he needs to change his clothes. He went to the store and bought himself some pants and a shirt. Now our little man has $1,000 Gucci pants, a Louis Vuitton shirt for almost $4,000, and a haircut straight out of a barbershop that he got for $500. It would seem that there is everything for a good life, but one thing is that the house is actually empty. It needs to be organized. Let's start organizing from the second floor, since our little man loves video games. Then for him we need to make a game place with a computer like this. Let's not forget about the speakers, keyboard, and all this I will put here, and of course, where without a gaming chair now our little man can enjoy spending his free time. And when I almost forgot, I still have a new 15 Japanese, which I will put him right here on the table. Constantly playing on the computer will also get boring. So necessarily in the apartment must be a TV, in our case in the house, but put it nowhere. That's why I decided to make such a mount to the ceiling. This is a kind of bracket. I will attach it somewhere here, and, of course, let's not forget about the recreation area with this soft sofa, which will be located right in front of the TV. Now he can watch his favorite movies and admire the sunset or sunrise right through those panoramic windows. Our little man has almost everything. But the only thing missing is friends, but I got him more of them, more and more. And, by the way, the same minifigures you can buy on my site mstore.ru, and also to your address at the link in the description. Just so keep a lot of money at home is not safe, so it is absolutely necessary to have this kind of secure safe, in which will lie jewelry. Close the door and lock the lock safe I will put in the second room, which is to the left of the game room. Let's go straight to the first floor of our mansion, and so far it's not particularly cozy, so I'm removing the man and taking some red parts. This is the softest rug that will greet us right in the hallway when we walk into our home, and by the way, in real life one of these costs about $5,000. But while we're making the kitchen table, I'm going to put it to rest here. The kitchen table is also unusual. It's made of natural Canadian oak. It cost a lot of money to produce it in this shape, but it's no problem for our little man. So I place this table here, in the kitchen, and if we turn the house here is an open garage, and to always stay in good shape, it is necessary to make at least a small exercise equipment at home. In the apartment, the tourniquet will stand right here, and the punching bag I will place right here, right at the entrance. In the garage is empty, but we had a car like this, although, agree, it seems to be completely out of place in the interior. This garage needs to build a cooler car, and I propose to make one of the most expensive supercars in the world by this badge. I think you guessed what kind of car is waiting for us. Attach it to the front. For such a fast car we need sports tires that will withstand the maximum speed of this car, which is equal, by the way, almost 400 kilometers per hour. Now make the windshield, small touches and we are ready. Scare Diva. Its cost is about $6 million, and for 5 years they were produced only 40 pieces. So it's quite a rare and very fast car. Rolling it up to the house and taking our lucky boy for a ride in this hypercar. And while he's away, he's asked me to build a swimming pool. I've already prepared the design for it, and it's going to be one of the most modern. But while I'm putting the pool together, a mini truck pulls up to the back door, and what's in there is groceries. Apparently, he's ordered home delivery. Here we have pizza, lots of bottles, sodas, a croissant and some canned goods. So that it doesn't lay anywhere, I'm going to set up a table for our little man right away, so that he can have a nice snack as water as soon as he arrives. I will use such transparent dark blue panels. I attach them here, then finish the tiles, and let's not forget about the most important thing is the entrance to the pool, so that you can jump from here right into the middle of the bomb. It will stand at us. Perhaps, somewhere here we will throw the pool. Here is such an inflatable circle, so that you can comfortably swim. And also small special effects of waves looks very cool, and while our rich man is swimming in his new pool, I prepared for him a housewarming gift like this, a real live palm tree, which will decorate his land plot. It looks very presentable right here by the garage. What kind of house would you like to live in? Would you like to live in a big and expensive one like this or a small one with a dumpster like this? Quickly write it in the comments and also put a like, subscribe to the channel on this all. Thanks everyone, bye.